So here I have the stator plate, which was inside this box, and there are some cables coming from the stator plate. So this one is to be connected to the neutral light switch, which is on the left side of the engine. And here we have a red with a small black stripe. It's going to be connected to this similar cable that comes from the CDI box. And here is a black with tiny red stripe. It's going also to the connecting on the CDI box. So then from the CDI box you have this one is going to be grounded, and this one here is supposed to go to the high tension ignition coil. Alright, so if you see over here, we have the yellow is for the light, it's on the yellow there. The green is for the charging, it's to the green there. And the blue is on the blue. So what remains here is this one. I guess you can connect this together with the yellow. So both of them have electricity from this yellow cable. So that's what I would suggest. Now here up is the electricity coming for the original coil. So this is supposed to be connected to the coil. So I'm not sure how this will work with the ignition lock, but maybe it will work just like this. So this one, the black here, is coming from the CDI, and it goes into the black with the yellow stripe here, which is going to the ignition coil, right? So that's as far as I can see, that's the way it is. So if we check out this one on the back side, if you see here, you can see from this small coil, that is where the red and the black stuff is coming. So that is the ignition coil, and this big coil here is obviously, you can see there's a yellow coming there, and the other one, I'm not sure what color is that, but I think this is the green is coming from there also. So there are two connections to this coil. So this coil probably delivers both light and also charging, while this is the one that supplies with ignition coil.